Hey guys, and welcome. It is Dr. Michelle Ihrig here with Dr. Prodigy, and I am just going to make a video going through a bunch of fourth grade fraction problems. My camera is off because I'm under the weather, but I wanted to make this video anyway, so we're just going to do a bunch of fraction problems. Right now I'm in the middle of a battle, and this is the first fraction problem that came up. So the main thing to remember whenever we do fractions is we want to have equivalent fractions and denominators. So I notice how this is 100, and I notice how this is 100, but this is only 10. So I have to think, okay, well, how do I turn this into 100? 10 times 10 is 100. So 1 times 10, that almost looks like a sad face, is 10. So to do equivalent fractions, we multiply the numerator and the denominator by the same number. Now that we've done that, the fancy algebra way is to multiply everything by 100 and add it up. But we're just going to do it the quick and easy way. Since all of our denominators are the same, we can just add our numerators up, and everyone knows that 10 plus 40 is 50. All right. Yeah, I don't know if we're going to do well in this battle. I'm really hoping that we get this guy right here, the all-powerful spell, but it has just not been successful. All right. Oh no, you're joining me for me to lose again in Bonfire Spire. Ah, that's horrible, I think. It keeps saying, don't worry, we'll get it next time. That has yet to happen, and I don't know why they keep saying follow the path when we keep hitting the same guy and making us have epic fails every single time. I just don't know. This will be our last try, and I think we're gonna leave. Like, look at, I didn't even answer one question. They already eliminated one of my pets. Unreal. Oh my goodness. Inconceivable. All right, let's do another comparison. So we can see our denominators are going to be hundreds. And I notice that because that is my largest denominator. My n can stay there and my 50 can stay here. So I need to convert 4/10 into hundredths. Super easy. We just multiply the numerator and the denominator by 10. We put that in, and then we add those babies up. 50 plus 40 is 90. And if I ever go too fast doing the math, especially since I'm not on camera, you know what you can do? You can slow me down because it's not real life, it's a video. $87. How depressing. All right, Starbucks. Let's go. Still depressing. Enemy's turn. Jeez, they're just knocking me out. Again. Oh my gosh, I just have my one pet left. Flame Caller. Come on, Flame Caller. Come on. Oh my gosh. I just think we're really unmatched right now and we need to go level up somewhere else. I'm just thinking that we're in the wrong path. But yeah, let's start off at Firefly Forest, where we can possibly get ourselves a little bit better off. Map it. Okay, they keep saying go there, but nope, we're not ready for that. Let's go back over here. I don't even know. It's been so long since I've played this character. Uh-oh.
He sleeps all the time. But this is... We can wake him up, but first, we need to fix my broken...
Take the flute to the magic stump.
To the magic...
Let's see, do we need to read this? Oh no, I'll just stay Michelle Windlight. I don't need to change my name. Alright, you should still be doing fraction problems. Hopefully we'll have a lot more success in Firefly Forest. Or not, the enemy already attacked us. Unbelievable. Alright, here's some more ones that we're looking for our common denominator. So 100 is our largest denominator. So 100 is the number that we are going to get our equivalent fractions with. The n goes on the top, the 8 goes on the top, and now we just have to convert 1/10 to, hundredths. And I know, you're already telling me, Michelle, it's 10. Why are you taking so long? Yepers. Now we can just add our numerators. 10 plus 8 is 27. Just kidding, it's 18. All right, so week to snow. I think what we're gonna have to do is fix some of our pets after this battle. Okay, now we're on the next thing. The main thing that anytime we do sum means add, we need to have like denominators. So right now, given that I have 4/9, it has to be the first one, okay? Here, these are two different denominators. Here, these would all add up to 4/4, which is 1. And we want to have 4/9. So we need to make sure that we find our like denominators. Looks like we only have star bit. Ooh, that was pretty strong though. We'll take it. All right, 3, 6. So this is kind of tricky. 3, 6 really reduces to 1/2. But the main thing we see is 6's in the denominator. Letter A is the only one that has 6's in the denominator. Whenever the denominators are the same, here's a trick. All you need to do is just add the numerators, and that gives you the answer. So like if I look at this one, letter B, all the denominators have 2 in it, so I can just add up the 3 ones and get 3/2. But unfortunately, if I look here, I have 1/3, so we could add those up to get 2/3. But the 1/6 I have to add up separately. And then we'd have to get equivalent fractions and go from there. So letter A is the correct answer in this problem. We have to have the common same denominators anytime we do fractions. All right, looks like we got one spell, water burst. Ooh, not enough. Saplet, not enough. Ooh, Funkiel is not like, oh, that's not even Funkiel. I've used Funkiel in the other name. That's naughty. Well, I can roll the dice considering I only have one pet. There we go. We'll open up our brown chest, get our rewards, and keep moving on because we need to evolve. Okay. Moving. You know what? Let's battle this guy even though we don't have to. Oh, I forgot to change our pets. I can't believe I forgot to change our pets. You have to remind me. Weak to snow. Right. 3/4 as a sum of fractions. We've already gone over this a couple times. This is the only one that has 4's in the denominator, so that is why that is the correct answer. Usually the first time we see a problem, I go slower. The second time we see a problem, I go a little bit faster. And then the third time we see the problem, we go super fast. Starbit gives some power. Not quite enough. Isn't pet rescue you have to pay for? I don't know. Enemy's turn. Fumble. Fumble, fumble. Well, we gotta use Kindle. It's our most powerful spell we have right now. There we go. 10 battle stars. We'll take it. We leveled up to 35. Way to go, Michelle. What was her name? Wind something. Wind light. Nope, we don't need to evolve anyone. Alright, keep going up. We have a couple new guys to battle. for it to snow. Okay. Do not reduce your answers to lowest terms. So whenever we have mixed numbers like this, the first thing we do is we look at the fractions. So I've got 2/5 plus 1/5. Our denominators are the same, so I can just add my numerators and get 3/5. Because 3/5 is less than 1, I can put 3/5 in for my fraction. If it was like 7/5, then I would have to do something else. Now I can add my whole numbers. 1 plus 2 is 3. I don't even need to write it out. Gotta keep using Kindle, it's our best spell. Good hit. Boo. Alright, now we're subtracting. But thankfully our fractions have the same denominator. So 4/5 minus 2/5 is really the same as saying 4 minus 2 over 5. So that is 2/5 for our fraction, and then we just do 5 minus 4, which is 1. I don't know why they had us go to the denominator first, but they did. Star bit. Let's see if that's enough. Yes! Okay, we have got to... Not that I don't want us to evolve, but we gotta change our pets. Do we have anything? We have no snow. Alright, so I guess, you know what, Naughty? We're gonna remove you and put in, you know what, let's put in Truckle. I'm thinking let's put in Truckle. Alright, let's keep moving forward. We got another one to fight. Again, this is 4th grade fractions. We're just playing a big long fraction video. Alright, it says add or subtract. We can see we're adding. It says do not reduce our answer to lowest terms. So we do have 1/2 plus 1/2. Our denominators are the same, so we can just add our numerators. That gives us 2 over 2, and because we're not reducing our fractions, we do have to put the 2 in like that, although your math teacher would be very upset with you if that's what you did in real life. And then we've got 1 plus 4 is 5. So that's the Prodigy answer. Just as a side note, if you were doing this in school, this 2 over 2 becomes 1 whole. So in school, your answer would be 6. But in Prodigy, our answer is... Well, that's interesting. Didn't it say do not reduce your answer to lowest terms? Maybe they do want us to put a 6 there and a 0 on top. Let's erase this, because that's what I would have said the correct answer is. That's what they want us to do. Okay, so we're going to keep the denominators, but we will change it into a mixed number. I did not know that. Right, let's use our Kindle. Kindle is a really good spell. Alright, let's see. Oh, big hit, big hit, big hit, big hit. Can't use our all-powerful spell yet. We used to be able to do a lot more pet rescues in the old day. Skewer. Before membership became crazy, that's how I got most of the pets, because most of my accounts never had members. Alright, convert the mixed fractions to improper fractions and then solve. So how do we convert these to be mixed numbers into improper fractions? We multiply the denominator by the whole number, and then we add the numerator. So 3 times 4 is 12. 12 plus 1 is 13. So in there, I'm going to have 13. Here, I'm going to do 4 times 4, which is 16. 16 plus 2 gives us 18, and the denominator stays the same. Now that I have these really big numerators, remember I told you that whenever the denominators are the same, we just add the numerators up. So I've got 3 plus 8 is 11, so this becomes 31/4. And then now they want us to convert it back into a mixed number. So what we're going to do is do 4 into 31. Well, I know 4 times 8 is 32, so 4 times 7 gives me 28. And we don't need to write remainder 3. It would just be 3/4. I think these puzzles are actually where we have many options available to us in terms of snow. We're not going to become a member, and I kind of want to just keep going on the journey, so we're going to skip that person. And we're going to skip her too. Why not? Let's get to where we got to get going. Looks like we can't skip this one. Do you remember what's up here? I don't remember. Let's explore up here. Whoa. All right, let's be brave. Let's just do it. Oh my gosh, he looks so fierce. Level 27. Oh my gosh, that's the new Clip Clop. Oh my gosh, that looks so different than what Clip Clop used to look like before. All right, we've got another mixed fraction. So we're gonna do it small here. We've got 6 times 3 is 18. 18 plus 5 gives us 23. 1 times 6 is 6. 6 plus 2 gives us 8. So here we've got 23 and 8. We are subtracting, so that would give us 15. And the 6 stays. Don't move the 6. Okay, and the 23 minus 8 came from here. This becomes 13. This becomes 1. So now we have to do how many times does 6 go into 15? 6 goes into 15 2 times. That gives us 12. Remainder 3. They said don't reduce it to lowest term, so let's just leave it as 2 and 3/6. But your math teacher would want you to write 2 and 1/2. All right. Autumn gust. That was, ooh, well, that was better than I expected. That Clip Clop. Oh my gosh, we already lost one of our guys. Kindle, come on, make it happen. Critical! Not gonna read the rest of that. Nice try. I think they got us. I don't think we're ready to defeat them yet. Wow. Well, after our pets evolve, we'll have to go back to this battle again. So let's get out and do this one. And I should say level up because we're not really evolving our pets with the free membership. All right, let's move your last one. 2 times 12 is 24. 24 plus 8 is 32. 12 times 3 is 36. 36 plus 9 is 45. So those are my critical numbers. Because my denominators will both be 12, I can just add them up. And you know me, I prefer to add vertically. So that gives me 77. So let's get these numbers filled in first. Now, How many times can 12 go into 77? Well, we know 12 times 6 is 72. When we subtract, we're left with a remainder of 5. And because we're doing fractions, we need to put the 5 in the numerator and then the 12 in the denominator. All right. That was super weak. Let's give a better spell. Okay, so now we're moving to the next piece. No more mixed numbers. It says write 6/10 as a sum of fractions. So this is kind of almost like an algebra problem. Because it wants a sum, we know our denominators have to be the same. So that has to be 10 because we're adding. So I have to think 3 plus 2 plus what number will give me 6/10? Well, 3 plus 2 is 5. So 5 plus 1 gives me 6. I love using Kindle when we only are battling one pet, because that way it will always work. Okay. All right, here we go. We're adding fractions. So we know we need it to be 11. We know this has to be 10 so that our denominators stay the same. We have a 4 in our numerator, we have a 5 in our numerator, and we don't have this other number. And I'm using the commutative property to change the order of my addition. So basically I'm saying 9 plus what number gives me 11? 9 plus not 102, 9 plus 2. All right, star bet, make it count. Come on. Oh, I was thinking at least 80 and we got 91, so that's pretty great. Let's try. Yes! All right, tap to open. Skip our jars and the stars in the jar. I was like, I don't remember where to go. Good thing there's a hand to help us. Here's the stump that we're supposed to go to. Fix the flute. Okay. See what happens next. Oh no. A monster stole the flute. We need to tell Flora. Flora's like, it's happened again. That is true. Nobody wants to mess with an angry fairy. We need to go find the flute, but let's go to this box first.
Stole the flute. What? It's been...
Ooh, an earth robe. Not now, but we will hold it.
Now I'm
Come
really
on.
mad.
I got an earth robe.
Let's go find that monster and bring back my
Alright,
flute.
let's go see
It could be
where this
anywhere.
guy is who took our fixed flute, making my life difficult. Alright, we're coming after that. Whoa. Right, 1 and 5/6 is a sum of fractions. Well, first what we're going to do is we're going to turn this into an improper fraction. And earlier in the video we did 1 times 6 is 6. 6 plus 5 is 11. So we know that when we add all these up, it needs to be 11/6. So we already have 1, 2, we already have another 2, but we don't have this number. We know our denominators have to be the same, so that's 6. So 2 plus 2 is 4. So 4 plus what number gives me 11? 7. Oh, I should have picked a different spell. Man, that's all right. We'll use Kindle. Good job, Kindle. Good job. And Starbit. Okay. Let's see what the enemy does. Whoa. 199. That's pretty critical. We don't need to rescue our pet. Skewer is what we should have used before. Goodbye. Goodbye, Starlight. We're leveling up some of our pets, so that's great news. We're not evolving. Don't need member stars. Well done. We got more gold. Now we can wake Flora's friend. Go to Gerald and wake him up. Wait, isn't Gerald the bad guy? Oh, maybe that was Shadow Gerald.
Well done!
Gerald. We're gonna go the highway and not go that
now that you have the
way.
flute, we can wake up my friend.
Follow
Go
our
to Gerald
arrows
and wake him
back.
up.
Alright, here we go. Well, at least we were stronger than before. Whoa, we got attacked pretty quickly. Okay, write the expression and sum of the fraction strip below. Do not reduce your answer. Alright, each of these say 8, so our denominator in all of these cases is going to be 8. Especially since they said don't reduce. Here, I notice there's 4, so there's 4/8. Here there's 2, so there's 2/8. Here there's 1, so there's 1/8. Again, because all our denominators are the same, we just need to add the numerators. The trick in fractions is making sure the denominator is the same so that you can just add the numerators. 4 plus 2 is 6, plus 1 is 7. All right, tread. We got to use tread. Not too bad. Not too bad. That looks like river crawler looks like so sad. All right, if we look here, all of these say 12s. So we're going to start off by just putting 12 in the denominators. In my numerators, I have 1, 2, 3 here. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 here. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Because all our denominators are 12, I can just add across. 3, 4, 5. 3 plus 4 is 7. 7 plus 5 is 12. And we do not want to reduce our answer. All right, we got to do Kindle. Make it happen, Kindle. Oh, goodbye, river caller. How are you still alive? Unreal. I really thought we got him that time. All right, let's do another one with here. We can see our denominator for all these problems are 10. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tenths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 tenths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tenths. All right, 6 plus 7 is 13. 13 plus 5, if we just add our numerators, is 18. It would reduce to 1 4/5 if you were in school. Star bit. You know what? I'm not going to even waste it on the 28 because that would be 60 points wasted. Enemy's turn. Whoa, critical damage. Skewer is the best one. We're going to skewer this baby. Goodbye. You know what? I really do think it comes down to attacking the right one. Like, that was a waste of Kindle, but at least we lost one of their pets. Fumble. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. All right, let's get rid of this one. Goodbye, my love. See you later. All right, time to do another problem. All right, now we're subtracting. So one of the things to note here is because these are all fifths, we could cross one of each out, and that would tell us the answer right there if we were going to use the actual strips. So here we have 6/5 minus 4/5, and just like we did with adding, as long as the denominators are the same, you can just do the math with the numerators. And it works every time. Like, math is so awesome. I love how easy things are. All right, we're getting rid of you with skewer. Get out. Oh, there's one time left. All right, we'll have to do tread instead. Man. All right, here we have 4, and they're all half pieces. Here there's 3 half pieces, so the denominator stays 2. Remember, as long as our denominator is the same, we just have to deal with the numerators. All right, now you're done. Get out of here. Get out of here. We leveled up. Way to go. All right, I'm going to stop this fraction video here, guys. After we get our rewards, and we can move forward into the next fraction video. Evolving. All right, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tell your friends. This is Dr. Michelle Ihrig, aka Dr. Prodigy. See ya.